Let's learn the features and functions of the PC current. This software can set up the counter with most of the functions. Here is to check the local time. The local time should same as your computer time. If not, you can make the same to click set time. If the time is different, it also means the time zone may be different. So you must change the time zone to be correct one. Maybe 8. This is Beijing time. The UTC is 8. Here is GPS information. You can see most important position information for GPS, and here Azimuth. Azimuth is an important one. It will help judge the bus is stopped on the up station or down station. It will decide the direction, the running direction. Here is show the stop name, the station name. Here is show the direction, up or down. Here show the station ID, station number, station ID, and the station type. This show ordinary stations. Here is the image. You can see the left image is a little different from the right one. The counter has 2 lanes with the 7 centimeters distance, but the image nearly same. So you can see them nearly same, but actually 2 different images offer the small distance in depth. So it can show the different layer on the bodies when passengers pass from here or from the counting zone, the passage. It will show a stereo image. That will very easy to judge it is a body or other things. That's very important. This is gray image. This image will show the background. This is detect image. That show how the counter watch the detecting air. Here to show the passenger numbers, it can show 4 doors date. In this version, the counter client not show the total numbers. It just shows the every dot's numbers. It is easy to judge the accuracy for every counter. Here is show the channel, the camera channel, its parameters and setup. Here can shift the channels. Here the camera parameter 2.8 means the length 2.8. Here is the ID numbers. Refresh image. It will make a new image to display on it. It's not a video, it's an image, so you can make a new one. Usually you don't need to upgrade the camera parameter. If the parameter field is wrong, the counting will be terrible. Save image. That is very important. When you save image, you can see the image effect. This is ideal image. The ideal background image will promise the accuracy. So you must take care of it and remember to save image. Especially when you move the cameras move, so the view is moved. The counter must learn the new background again. Here is the video. It can record the detecting effect. This is for our checking. Here is to download the record files. The format is text or Excel. Here to delete everything. Very dangerous. Here is to reset 0. That means to make the number display to be 0, but nothing will be deleted. It will be very helpful when you test the accuracy in the buses. Update information. That is update station information. It has the required format. Load logs. This is the working logs. Record everything about how the device is working and what error it makes. This is reboot. This is restore factory. Here is upgrade the firmware. You must choose the correct one. Then here is the network setup. Here is the bus information. You must fill them correctly. If you change the network information, you must remember it and make a label on the counters. Otherwise, you may not remember it. and will make you in trouble. Here to connect the server. Here is to update the temp server. Here is to set up some important settings, especially. Usually we have finished these settings. You don't need to care about it, but you need to check the UTC temp. Others you can use the default one. For some 4G models or 3G models, you need to fill the APN and choose network type. It will make you connect to the wireless network. Other settings can use the default one. Here to set up the counting airs and the counting direction. Here to show the hardware working status. It can is important to check it connect to the net server or not. Thanks.